that chap there.
So there's one player online at the moment, just been in the Discord. Things just got turned on. I will remember, the title should have a 0.5 in it, because it is still in the beta mode. I don't know if that means there'll be a different world, or if it's just when there's a full version, or what exactly that means, but it is technically still in a beta phase. Yeah, okay, we've got another player online. Do we have any iron at all? I'm near a gravel biome. Mumbo said in one of his latest videos he'd never build near one of those, but why would you do something just because a famous person says so? Just made a tower to max height with sack folding. I don't know what sack folding is. Maybe you fold ink sacks somehow. Don't know how you fold an ink sack. Slightly cheeky of me, slightly cheeky. So while I don't have any armor either. But I'm going to brave it in this cave down here. While I don't have any glass, I'm just going to replace it all with cobblestone. My bed's right up there though, I don't really have anything to lose. Oh, I can see it. Oh no! Oh no! Well, let's see if we can take this guy on. It's taking damage anyway. I haven't taken any damage yet, so I don't think it can actually move because of the water. There we go. Oh. Someone's already visited my mine. I've just realised why it seems like there's so much gold. It's iron. It's the texture pack I'm using. I'm gonna change it back though, because iron ore in real life does have is a brownish colour. It's not found like bits of native iron embedded in rock, because it's a very reactive metal, as anyone with an old car can tell you. Or a Martian. Anyone with an old-fashioned car who is also a Martian. Oh. Here I am back, an hour or so later, just to see if the connection is a little better. So I think since the only food we now have left is 1 apple and 2 rotten flesh, it's reasonable to make getting food a priority. Yeah, and mobs are still there, and should stay so. Oh, I just duped my shovel, that's nice. Right, we're near where the ladders are right now, so okay, let's go down. Yeah, we can set the landing area right here. Oh, looks like the creative server actually exists. We've got a big head at the beginning saying, "I'm not an egotist, I just quote myself." Okay. So this is a testing world for an iron farm. Oh no, what am I doing? Never mind, guys. Family are doing a video conference call, so there's no way I'm going to be able to do any kind of video at the moment. So hopefully I'll be able to get some stuff done either tomorrow or later today. We have we have some wheat at last. I just got Optifine. You can tell I've got Optifine because I can zoom in. Okay. If you have epilepsy, you might not appreciate that, but yeah, it's nice to be able to zoom in. My frames are decent, and the grass is normal. Honestly, it feels like I'm playing Bedrock Edition. The frame rate is actually bearable. Signs. Oh, and I've got new broadband and I can actually craft things. Look how fast I'm crafting. Feels so good. Right. Oh, that water's messed up though. Sure, if I do the edges of the water, it should fill in the middle. How does water work in Minecraft? Oh my goodness, I give up. Oh, we don't have any food. Okay, jumping was a bad idea. We need to get those farms set up soon. Oh, we still take damage. Hope that makes a bit of a difference. So we need to clear out an area for our cow farm. Right, the chickens are in there now. Round up the rest of the animals. Where's the other cow gone? It's gone right over here. Sneaky bastard. Heyo, we've got somebody else on the server. I think everybody already has full diamond armor. That would be a nice goal for today, but I'm not sure I'll manage it. I didn't even get full diamond on the other server. See, we've got people fighting with us already. I mean, of course, it's been online for a couple of weeks now. Just I haven't had the time to dedicate to it, but hopefully I will now. Probably they think she thinks I'm designing a passive mob spawning based farm or something like that. When in actuality it's a very simple design. So now we've got a food source of sorts. We really need to go mining. Yep, I don't think there's anything really to think about. Oh yes, there is something to think about. I just realised I don't have any torches. I have looting 3 on a smite 5 sword. I can get it pretty quick. I say mining coal with an unenchanted iron pickaxe. Wondering if anyone's setting up a wither skull farm. Oh, I can actually credibly PvE now. I say that. Not that's okay, this is not fun. Yeah, I'm kind of one hit now though, so this is not good news. Blocks. Diorite. Hopefully there's no skeletons. Oh my goodness. That was not very good reaction times. Creeper. Oh, I can zoom in on the creeper. I hear a skeleton. Yeah, I hear a skeleton. I was getting a bit overconfident because there's slightly less lag, but... yeah, this is why I need to do strip mining. Because... oh, where did he go? There we are. Okay, that wasn't too bad, come on. This is gonna take several trips down there. I would not be good at hardcore, but I don't suppose you'd take this approach if you were playing hardcore. Right, I just need some, oh, baby! A baby! How many mobs are there underground? Right, this baby zombie. Difficult to deal with, of course. Especially when you don't have very good, but not much of a problem. Oh, we've got a zombie villager. That'd be great if we had gold and potions of weakness, but we don't have either of those things. Oh, for goodness sake. There's too many. How many mobs are there? There's a silly amount of them. There's an actually a silly amount of mobs. Right, that's that guy gone. Skeleton on the ladders. Wow, well, this video is very PvE focused. How much armor has this guy got? Oh, a creeper. Oh my goodness. It's raining. It's just raining zombies from the sky. That's how many times have I died? Look, skeleton, zombie, skeleton, zombie, skeleton, zombie villager. F. Oh my goodness. Oh, what? How did he even... oh, he swam. And there. Hit a pigman. Are we gonna get a chat message? 3 skulls in that amount of time. That was shockingly fast. Only 2. Don't know what happened there. We have more cave. We have emeralds. Nice. Yeah, I'm scared after our last run-in with hostile mobs. Oh boy, do I feel a lot safer. That other cave system over there feels a little more promising than the one near my house, to be completely honest. So, I think it's high time we had a storage system. Which goes in a straight line. The string goes in a straight line. Yes! I crafted it correctly. Oh, I forgot about shields. Yeah, they added shield, didn't they, to this game? Yeah, this cave has a lot more resources and a lot less mobs falling from the sky. Wouldn't a blast furnace be nice, eh? Wouldn't sticks be nice? Oh no. Oh no. Yes, full armor. Hopefully, I won't get lost now. Yes, diamonds. It'll be just one, won't it? It's not even impossible. I have lava directly underneath it, so I'm gonna, just in case. 2 diamonds. Oh well. Oh no, there's another one. Oh! Look at that. Oh, this is an 8er as well. Now, how do I get back home? If there's another hub, then obviously I'll need to get extra obsidian so I can make a portal on the other side at the right coordinates. Tell you what, I might as well do that anyway. Or I could mine the portal that gets generated. Oh boy, I can't wait to get some soul sand. I'm gonna do a portal right here for now. No harm in that. I think that's gonna be the thumbnail. Yep, that is the spawn portal, so... Oh well. We're not too far from... Oh, this looks like Vexening. Yeah, this is definitely Vexenings. So now I don't know where my own base is, and I'm going to have to watch my old video to find out the coordinates. And I was sort of wondering, trying to head on the front door. Do I have any sugarcane? Don't even think about it. Right, my base is around 130 minus 90. And there we go, there's mine. Everyone's got quite nearby base setups, actually. Quite cozy, I suppose, is one way of putting it. There we go. Where, though? Oh, there we are. That was a creeper in my house. Oh. Thank goodness they don't do anything. Oh dear. Oh. Want Porto coords. Okay, I've got a calculator right on me, so 54 divided by 8. I don't know if it's rounded down, but 333 divided by 8. So, sorry, 333 divided by 8. So that's 7 and 42. What's the y? What's the y of the nether corridors, you mean? Oh, I could go to your base. 54333. It's safe, trust me. Why why do I all of a sudden feel the need to put my diamonds in a chest? I don't trust people who say trust me, I'm afraid. What's the coords where I turned up? Oh, That was quite good timing. Ah, blaze rods, useful. Right. I think I just got given 3 diamonds as well. 4 diamonds even. Wait, no. I had 8, so I got given 7 diamonds. What's the exact coordinates of the portal? 126 minus 86. So the coordinates we want is 15, 16 and minus 8, so. And let's hope this connects up to my portal. Oh, it's taking its time, that's not promising. It makes it look like it's generating new chunks. Nope, no, it connects to my portal. Well, I already stopped being on fire, but oh well. Don't you dare. You little... That was close. Oh, I cannot wait to not have to worry about food. Oh, it drowned. I forgot they existed. They are so common on Bedrock, it's unbelievable, but... ready? Steady. Oh. Oh. It's summoned. Oh. We have another player joining, that's nice. Right, let's see what we can do with our diamonds now. I think the last thing I'll do is just put a sign in the Nether Hub. Or a couple of signs in the Nether Hub, and then that's going to be it. So, that's a goodbye from me.